Introducing DCE Solar's EcoTop solution, the industry-leading rooftop system for commercial solar projects. With 5 times fewer attachments and DCE's UL 3741 certification, which eliminates the need for module-level power electronics, you can enjoy significant material and labor savings. This translates to savings of 3 to 6 cents per watt on attachments, and an additional 9 to 13 cents per watt on module-level power electronics, making your solar installation more cost-effective and efficient. Our module-friendly design provides full structural support and prevents micro-cracking, while the integrated grounding simplifies installation and maintenance. With inclusive, unmatched wire management solutions, EcoTop eliminates the need for costly third-party products. Our solution also utilizes durable recycled rubber ballast pads, ensuring the integrity of your roof while providing exceptional slip resistance. DCE Solar offers additional specialized variations of the EcoTop to suit your specific needs and unique requirements. The EcoTop HD or high-definition solution significantly increases capacity by up to 20%, enabling more wattage capacity per square foot. Its unrivaled connectivity results in fewer ballasts and attachments, making it a highly cost-effective and efficient solution for rooftop installations. Meanwhile, EcoTop MR is ideal for metal roofs, providing the optimal tilt angle for a greater kilowatt output. Compatible with all industry-standard metal roofing attachments and integrated grounding, it ensures efficient wire support throughout, maximizing performance and reliability. Choose DCE Solar's EcoTop rooftop mounting structures for your solar needs and experience superior performance and reliability. Contact us today to learn more.